Hi friends, this is Dr. Abdequaem from Grace Healing Homoeopathy. I would like to discuss today the delusion symptoms of aurum metallicum. Though we know aurum metallicum is a remedy for lots of other mental conditions where the patient has lots of other symptoms of forsaken feeling, deserted feeling. But it's a very important symptom to see the entry point, how that symptoms of delusions of aurum metallicum grows in the patient and how's the journey of the disease in the patients. In aurum metallicum, one thing is very important. In aurum metallicum, he feels that everything will fail. Aurum metallicum patient feels that everything would fail. So because of that, he feels a lot of emptiness in his mind. He feels that he has lost his friends, confidence in him. Means उसको लगता है कि जो confidence पहले उनके उसके friends को उन पे था वो confidence नहीं रहा. And because of this, he feels lost, and he feels that his beloveds, his friends, have lost affection in him. So whenever the patient starts telling this symptom, this actually is telling you the symptoms of delusion. That is, delusion everything will fail, or delusion he has emptiness of mind, delusion that the friends have lost or the beloveds have lost confidence in him. This is how the aurum metallicum grows. When you further feel that because of this he feels a very hollow, बोलता ना पेशेंट आके मुझे ऐसे अंदर से खोखलापन लगता है, means that he feels hollow inside. Now this is a very very important symptom of aurum metallicum when the patient says मुझे खालीपन लगता है, hollow लगता है, everything is lost, अभी मेरे पास कुछ नहीं है. He feels that maybe he has neglected his duties, that's why people have lost faith in him, that's why he feels that everything will fail, or he feels that he has done something wrong. And once this feeling goes on and on and on, and he has no friends, he is lost, he is alone, there is a very important delusion that with aurum metallicum suffers from. That is, he feels that he cannot do anything right. This is a very very important symptom of aurum metallicum delusions, that he cannot do anything right. And as this grows, the mind becomes very indifferent to everything, and then he feels that he is unfit for the world. He is unfit for this world. And as Dr. Kent says in Mathematics that aurum metallicum patient silently starts to commit suicide. He does not tell the world, but he wants to now leave everything and gradually prepares for suicide. That's a very important symptom of aurum metallicum. As this goes, he feels that now he has lost for salvation. Because of this much thinking and much stress, there are other type of delusions that aurum metallicum suffers from. That is, delusion that he sees ghosts, sometimes delusion he sees spirits, delusion he sees thieves, and sometimes that perception also changes about things, that sometimes he feels things are very smaller than they actually are. Sometimes he feels as if the face is distorted or the face grows larger. Because of this continuous stress and a feeling of lost and everything would fail, this is a typical delusion that aurum metallicum suffers from. And because of this, he always feels that he is pursued by enemies, and a total feeling of delusion of deserted and forsaken feeling. Of course, I'll take rubric deserted, forsaken, estranged, exact meaning of those, so that you will be able to differentiate the meanings and the rubrics in it. So that's why if you see the whole journey of aurum metallicum and you put that in delusion, everything is that symptom. Like delusion he cannot do anything right, delusion he has done something wrong, delusion things grow smaller, delusion pursued by enemies, delusion face distorted grows larger, delusion forsaken feeling, delusion lots and lots of delusion unfit for the world, delusion lost salvation, delusions that the body is hollow, delusion of emptiness. These all delusions basically aurum metallicum suffers. This is how a journey of aurum metallicum goes from the mind and to the sensorium, and he feels everything is clouded, and that's how aurum metallicum develops in your practice. This is I have seen in my practice, and I have seen in my OPD, which I am telling you, clinical symptoms of aurum metallicum. There are other symptoms of aurum metallicum also which are present in the book, so you can go home and read and increase your knowledge of mathematics. So my dear friends, if you like this video, do share and subscribe. Thank you.